Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Situation largely unchanged, and Link continues to be in this support area for a possible wave 2. That is the orange wave count, and we're really sitting on the fence here. We're basically between two scenarios. We are basically looking at a possible bullish count, but price would need to rally in a third wave next and would need to hold the $6 level for that. As I said before, below $6, this is not going to be invalidated, but it's going to be very unlikely that that bullish count is going to work out. So the primary expectation is, as long as we hold $6, to get that third wave rally. However, a break below $6 could send us easily, and that is certainly a risk, down into the $3 region, and that would be the blue count, where we actually have here a triangle, an Elliott wave triangle, as an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. And after the E wave, normally the breakout to the downside happens. Now, as you can see, nothing happened so far. We're just moving within this range. The range is sitting between, or the range is defined by support at $5.30 and resistance at $9.50. I think if we get a breakout of one of these levels, so below support or above resistance, I think we will have quite a strong move. But yeah, I mean, we're not there yet, clearly. So price is still moving in the range. We have for days we haven't seen anything really, just very, very slow movement. And if I zoom in a little bit, I mean, looking at the subwave structure makes limited sense in this case. I'm very honest with you. I prefer to count this as an A wave than a B wave to the upside and a C wave to the downside. That C wave may very well get one more low, and if I count it as a 5-wave move here, I could say, okay, we had a very long wave 1. This might have been A, B, C, so maybe a wave 2, and then this could be a third wave still in the making, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe one more 4 then, and one more 5. But again, there are different options, multiple options, and if we get that 5-wave move down, it could also easily be the first wave down, which would get a retracement in the blue count, because obviously when such an Elliott wave triangle finishes, when such an E wave finishes here, the next move down is expected to be an impulse. So yeah, but it's not typical impulsive behavior here. So I'd rather look at this possibly even as a diagonal, and if it's a diagonal, the third wave may sit here, the fourth wave may sit here, and we might now just get one more low in a fifth. But again, you know what is much more important than trying to figure out the detailed subwave structure count? More important is to understand that it can, within this particular bullish case, drop to $6 before it will recover, and a break below $6 will shift probabilities certainly towards something more bearish. But I have to tell you, obviously we've been moving in this range now for over a year, and this is purely a potential. So until we really see the breakout of the range, it's range bound, okay? And I'm thinking about, why is Link not able to break out of that range finally, and ideally to the upside? Because Bitcoin's price doubled since November, roughly. Obviously it's come down a bit since then, but it's basically doubled, and Link hasn't done very much. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, but yeah, maybe there's some underlying issues. I don't know. It's certainly a little bit strange to see that ongoing sideways action. So it remains a bit of a boring chart. Certainly interesting for grid bots maybe, but even they get bored now. So what else can you do? So we just need patience here. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.